This Century 21 Agate Realty property video is presented by Michelle Morosky. Beautiful custom-built home in desirable Vista Ridge neighborhood. Meticulously maintained, open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Quality amenities including granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, hardwood floors, propane fireplace, new carpet and window coverings, jetted tub, and a lovely outdoor water feature. A must-see home. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Morosky at 541-953-8415.